lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to this week's Motivation Monday that's not actually being uploaded on a Monday. Little extra one for you this week. I'm just going to take you with me to do my daily mum chores, those things that us mums do every day without even thinking about it, starting with the laundry. I've collected some laundry from upstairs in my house and I'm going to take it downstairs to put on a fresh load. I love the sound of the washing machine, it makes me feel really productive. So this is the first thing that I'm going to do this afternoon and then I will carry on from there.
I know that it's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. Baby, it's time for me to face the truth.
Now that a fresh load is on, I'm going to take the clean washing that you can just see in the corner there in the basket. I'm going to take that upstairs and put it all away into everyone's bedrooms. Cooper is still awake. He's my toddler. He is still awake, not quite napping yet, so I'm going to do this quickly before he needs to go to sleep. I'm going to put out a pile for everyone, so 4 piles, one for each of us, and this makes it a lot quicker to put everything in the right places.
Used to stand by you, now I'm only holding on to a bittersweet memory of you. Oh, I wish it wasn't true. I know that it's time for me to let you go. I know that it's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. Baby, it's time for me to face the truth and say I don't know you anymore. I don't know you anymore, like I used to do before anymore.
While I'm upstairs in the bedrooms, I'm just going to quickly tidy them up as well. Just going to put away any toys and bits that are on the floor and make them nice and neat and tidy. I try and do this every day if I can, just to stay on top of it, because if I leave it a few days, it just becomes an absolute bomb site. Although in my eldest son's room, it's actually really neat and tidy already. He is a very tidy little boy, so he really doesn't make a lot of mess, and today there's like hardly anything for me to do, to be honest.
Baby, it's time for me to face the truth and say it out.
My next chore for the day is to change our bedding. Obviously this isn't something that I would do every day, but it is on my list for today. So I'm going to put on fresh sheets onto our bed so it's nice and clean and fresh for us to climb into later. I'm not going to do the boys' sheets today. I did those just a few days ago, so they don't need doing today.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell.
Next up, I'm going to change and clean the bin. I'm going to empty it. As you can see, it's very full, desperate to be emptied. So the first thing I'm going to do is empty it and get the bag ready to be taken outside. I'm also going to give the bin a really quick clean while it's empty, just using a clean microfiber cloth and a flash surface spray. I'm just going to clean the inside of the bin, making sure any bin juices that have seeped out have been cleaned away, and then I'm just going to clean the top and the rim around the bin as well, put in a clean bin bag, pop the lid back on, and I will clean down the lid and the exterior of the bin as well.
Something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Only time will tell.
Now that's done, I can take the bin bag outside, ready to be put in the big bins in our bin store, which is just out on our drive. So I'm just going to take it outside and pop it in there.
No, no, what is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond.
Next thing I'm going to do, and something that I try and do most days, is clean the downstairs toilet. I always say if I only have time to clean one toilet, I'll always do the downstairs one, because this is the one that gets the most traffic, and I live in a house of boys. So first of all, I'm just going to go over the sink with a pink cleaning cloth and this Zaflora new bathroom foam, which by the way is heavenly. Really enjoyed using this. I'm definitely going to use this again. And I also used it to just wipe down the toilet. I'm just going to put some toilet gel in there, have a really good scrub, and I will wipe down the floor around the toilet as well. And I'm just going to tidy up a little bit in here, make the toilet paper look all pretty, and make myself feel very productive. It's a completely pointless task, because as soon as my son walks in here, he'll just rip it off, but it makes me feel better for a few seconds. Into the kitchen now, and I'm just going to wipe down the surfaces with a fresh cloth and with a flash spray. Just going to have a really quick wipe down. It's not particularly dirty today, to be honest, but I'm just going to give it a really quick wipe down. And also on the dining table, which is dirty, covered in crumbs and mess from breakfast this morning. So I'm just going to wipe all this down as well.
I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call?
And the last thing I'll always do is vacuum, because all those crumbs that I've just wiped from the surfaces are obviously now on our hard floors. So I'm just going to use the vacuum cleaner to suck all of that up. I'll go over the play mat and try and get in as many nooks and crannies as I can.
Can you feel me?
I'm going to run the vacuum cleaner all across the bottom floor of the house. Cooper is down for his nap by this point, so I'm not going to be able to hoover upstairs, but as long as I've done the vacuuming downstairs, which is obviously where we spend the majority of our time, I'm really happy with that. So this is going to be my last daily chore of the day. I think that is plenty, but thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next one.
So why didn't you?